G'day folks, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a set of ND filters for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. These ND filters are by PolarPro. It's their shutter collection and it includes an ND8, ND16, and ND32. PolarPro was nice enough to send along a second set that we can use as a giveaway. So let's just get right into the video. We'll talk about the giveaway and we'll take out the ND filters and see how they look. So to start the video off, the giveaway is for US and Canadian residents only, unfortunately. And to enter the giveaway to win this set of ND filters for the Hero 8 Black, just simply comment down below and make sure you include what state or province you live in. In about 2 weeks' time, we're just going to do a random pick from the comments. If the random picker picks a comment and that's not listed, we will just move on to the next one. Now, most likely, I don't have to mention too much about PolarPro. They're probably the leader right now when it comes to ND filters for all different kinds of devices like drones, action cameras, DSLRs, and so on. They make really high quality ND filters and a lot of really unique accessories. If we look at the back here, it shows us that it's a hot swap magnetic filter system, kind of like what they did with the Osmo Action. Comes with a case, and we have 3 ND filters, ND32, ND16, and ND8. So let's just open it up here, we'll check them out, and we'll see how they fit on the GoPro. Now this video is just about mainly taking a closer look at them for those who are curious on how they fit and how they work. I'm not going to get into the whole why to use ND filters. If you're new to GoPros or drones and you want to learn a little bit more about ND filters, you can go back through my channel. I've made several videos with demonstrations on the effect that having an ND filter will have on your footage. So we'll pull it out here, and as you can see, nice little case. Got some other goodies in here too. You can see here we have a microfiber cleaning cloth. It's got a PolarPro insignia on it. As with most PolarPro equipment, you get this envelope with some literature in it. We got some stickers, some information about the warranty, and some information about the ND filters and how to install the setup. So here's the case here. You can see it's got a nice big zipper on it, nice and heavy duty. When we open it up here, you can see we have our 3 ND filters, and we have a mount for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now, PolarPro had to get a little bit creative this year, as we all well know now that the GoPro did not come with a removable lens protector. Past models, you could twist it off and then twist on an ND filter. Some ND filters just clipped over top, but there's not really much of a lip there, so I don't know how well that would have worked. So PolarPro's come up with this little mount system. And you can see it just clips on over top just like that. Once the mount is on, you just take your ND filter and it just clips on over top and it's held in by magnets. And that seems to have a very solid connection. I wouldn't worry too much about that falling off. Yeah, it's on there nice and tight. The nice thing about this magnetic hot swap system is that you can switch out your ND filters very easy throughout the day as the lighting conditions change. If you're going to be filming without an ND filter, you can go ahead and leave that mount on. It's not going to affect the performance of the GoPro, and all your buttons and everything are fully accessible. So yeah, a nice little kit from PolarPro. They never really disappoint when it comes to their ND filters. So I'll leave a link down below where you can go and check out their ND filters further. In the meantime, like I said, if you're a resident of the US or Canada, leave a comment down below with your province or state that you live in. If you're not comfortable even leaving that kind of information, you can even just put that I'm a US resident or I'm a Canadian resident. Once we've picked a winner, what I'll do is I'll post it in the comments and I'll pin it to the top. Well folks, that's it for my video. Those are the new ND filters for the Hero 8 Black by PolarPro. I want to thank PolarPro for donating a gift that we can use as a giveaway. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.